Just left GameStop with a lot of goodies. Meet you back at the house and I'll show you what I got. Well, you already know what I got because it's in the title. Dirt. Let's start the intro off. Hit him with the intro. DJ Delz. All right, so we're back at the house and this is what we got today. I cannot believe that I was able to obtain the Little Shop of Horrors 3 out of the 5. There's 2 more. There's Audrey II, the Target exclusive. Actually, there's 3 more. There's that one, the Target exclusive, and there is the Chase and the standard version. I am looking for all 3 of them, especially the Chase and the Target exclusive, because I know I'll be able to get the standard version probably within the next week or so. So if you could help me out with that, please let me know. Contact me over at Delz, D-E-L-Z, Delz Toy Show, and we could work out some kind of trade or something. So it was buy 3 pops, get 1 free. I walked in, I was able to get the Triple H Chase. I do have it already, but I had to do a box swap, and I'm just not happy with the way it came out. So I'm happy to have one where the sticker's right, and I'm happy. I'm very happy. I'm a huge WWE guy. I collect a lot of them. There's just a couple of them that I have. Love showing them. Love my WWE Funko. Probably one of my favorites right there. Ultimate Warrior. Well, let's move Triple H out of the way because the focus on this video is this right here. Little Shop of Horrors, released, I'm pretty sure, in the 80s. The movie is based on Seymour, right? Seymour finds this alien plant, this baby alien plant. Kind of looks like a Venus flytrap. And he finds out that the only way this plant will survive is from human blood, human flesh. Now, he has a crush on this girl, Audrey, who is dating the dentist right there, played by Steve Martin, who is a maniac dentist. I know it sounds crazy. And he's abusive to his girlfriend. Seymour has a crush on her. So there's this whole love triangle thing. And you could basically predict what happens with this situation, this triangle right here. And eventually, Audrey II, the plant, which he named after her, gets so big and out of control that, you know, he's just killing everything in sight. And it is a fantastic movie. It's mixed with horror, comedy, and it's a musical. So there's some fun songs with it, and I enjoyed it. I'm not the big musical guy, but this was a fun movie, and I definitely want to watch it again. And I think that if this sounds interesting to you guys and you've never seen it, or girls, check it out. It's a fun movie. I have not seen it in a while, but I loved it as a kid. And it's not a kid's movie for anyone that's watching. I've got to make that clear because I watched this when I was a little boy. I should not have watched it, but my mother was huge with movies and also musicals. And I think back in the 80s, parents just let their kids do whatever they want compared to now with what to watch for the most part. So my mother had me watch it. I loved it, but it's definitely inappropriate for little kids. Rest in peace, my mother. I love her to death. She was so much fun, so into film and the arts and musicals. She was crazy about that. And you know, I get a lot of this kind of stuff from her. She even put me onto Star Wars when I was like literally born into the world. She bought me the Millennium Falcon years before I was even born, just because she loved the movie so much and she wanted her son to have it. So she's like a kick-ass mom. So rest in peace to her. I miss her every single day. But yeah, these are the pops right here. The maniac dentist, played by Steve Martin, who is just out of control, man. So out of control. And I just want to show you the boxes. Thumbs up the video, please, if you want to see them out of the box. And I will do that after I just give you a 360 of the boxes. And I appreciate if you subscribe. If you love Funko Pops, I'd love to get this channel where we get so many subscribers, just to show the world that we are in huge numbers that love collecting Funko Pops. This is a mixed bag of a channel. We got so much different stuff on this channel, but I definitely release a Funko Pop video probably 5 days out of the week, so definitely subscribe. I did pick this up yesterday and did an out of the box review on Prince. definitely watch that after. Awesome, awesome Funko Pop. I highly recommend it if you are a fan of Prince. And I will link all of these pops in the description box below. Guaranteed mint condition too, because, you know, I bought this at GameStop and it is dented over here, which sucks, but I was so excited for this, so I was like, screw it, I'm gonna get it. Let's take them out of the box. So here's a look at them close up, and they look fantastic. Absolutely love this pickup I got today. You see he's got that tool right there, ready to yank them teeth out. He's got them goggle glasses. And I'm pretty sure that's the gas right there in his hands, because he always uses the laughing gas, even on himself. Crazy. And then looking at Seymour, feed me Seymour, with Audrey II, baby Audrey II. And then we got Audrey with her cheetah dress, matching shoes. I think they did a great job on these. There's a side profile of all of them. There's a look at them from behind. Little flaw right there on the hair I'm noticing. Bunch of little flaws. Looks like dried up glue. And there's a look at their other side. Great Funkos. Really, really happy with this pickup right here. I love the glasses. The glasses look great. You know, it's hit or miss sometimes when they do the glasses, but it looks really great. I hope you guys enjoyed this out of the box review. Let me know your favorite scenes, your favorite songs of this movie, Little Shop of Horrors. I love the dentist song, man. I just thought it was so crazy and insane. So that's my favorite. Leave yours in the comment box below. And thanks for tuning in. I will be linking, once again, all these pops and a ton more that are available for pre-order in the description box below. There's also the Pez, the Funko Pez. They just dropped a ton of them on pre-order. A lot of them have chases, 1 out of 6 chance. So 1 out of 6 chances. So that will be linked in the description box below. Plus, like the Predator Funko Pops, you have chances to get the chase, 1 out of 6. So just look in the description box below. Power Rangers, there's so much stuff available for pre-order, guaranteed mint condition. So definitely head in the description box. I think it's the best way to buy pops versus when you go to the store. Sometimes, you know, you just can't find them right. Plus, you get a chance to get the chases. A lot of the employees always like to stuff the chases to the side for themselves, you know. That's just the way it works with retail. That's part of the benefit of working at retail. They get to do that kind of stuff. So, you know, for us consumers, sometimes it's tough getting them chases. So that's just the tip right there. Get the pre-order on. Look in the description box. And all great, legit, perfect condition. If you like this kind of talk, join my Patreon, patreon.com/DJ Delz. That will be linked in the description box below. We do a monthly giveaway, and there's a good chance you'll win because there's not a lot of members. And I will give away multiple Funko Pops every month, depending on if you pick Pops or a different kind of option. We do a bunch of different stuff there. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow with a new video. Happy hunting, and leave your comments, by the way. Let me know also what Funko Pops you're looking for. Maybe I can help you out. And what I'm looking for, once again, I am looking for the Audrey II chase. I am also looking for the Finn Balor chase. I'm looking for the Andre the Giant Funko Pop, the Westley Funko Pop chase with the mask. Looking for Ric Flair also, Bret Hart, and any of the Breaking Bad Funko Pops that I don't have. These are the only 2 I do have, and I'm definitely looking for some more of those. So hit me up over at Delz Toy Show if you have any of those, you want to do any trades. And thanks for watching. Hope you guys had fun. I did. We out. This is the man right here. You feel me? Shout out to DJ Delz. DJ Delz. Who do we got? We've got the one and only Ken Shamrock. Look at this guy. He is looking better than all these other guys on the arms, man.
Hey, I start my day out like that ever since I was a kid. Training has been my life. It isn't stopping now. But I will say this. There's a couple things that I wanted to do before I before I stepped away and actually retired. I've done everything in the world when it comes to MMA. I've captured all the belts. I did everything I've ever done in all these other organizations. In the WWF, or WWE as they call it now, the one thing that I have not was able to capture was that heavyweight belt. And I'm telling you, I want a chance to be able to go after that belt. But only if either Brock Lesnar has it, or The Rock has it, or Kurt Angle has it. Either one of those three I want. I want the ankle match with Kurt Angle to see snap, crackle, and pop. Or I want Brock to see who is the best from MMA and pro wrestling. Of course, it would be me. And The Rock, because he ran away from me after I grabbed the Intercontinental Champion. Then he went up to get the belt, and then I was supposed to go after that, and he ran away.
He's calling them out. He's calling them out. You guys hear it, right? He's calling them out.
Make it happen.